Tiny Tots Learning Hub.
Hello, little learners. Welcome to Tiny Tots Learning Hub. Today, we're going to learn some fun words from the an word family. These are words that end with A and N, but start with different sounds. Let's get started. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. And let's see which is the first N word. B-A-N, ban, B-A-N is ban. This sign is for ban. Can you see the sign of ban? Repeat after me. B-A-N, ban. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next an word. C-A-N, can. C-A-N is can. I have a can of soda. Can you see the can? Repeat after me. C-A-N, can. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next N word. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N is fan. The fan is blowing cool air. Can you see the fan? Repeat after me. F-A-N, fan. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next an word. M-A-N, man. M-A-N is man. The man is reading a book. Can you see the man? Repeat after me. M-A-N, man. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next an word. R-A-N, ran. R-A-N is ran. The dog ran around the yard. Can you see the dog running? Repeat after me. R-A-N, ran. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next an word. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N is pan. She is cooking with a pan. Can you see the pan? Repeat after me. P-A-N, pan. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next N word. T-A-N, tan. T-A-N is tan. The boy got a tan in the sun. Can you see the tan boy? Repeat after me. T-A-N, tan. The letter A and the letter N, when comes together, sounds like an. Let's see which is the next an word. V-A-N, van. V-A-N is van. The van is parked outside. Can you see the van? Repeat after me. V-A-N, van. B-A-N is ban. M-A-N, man. C-A-N, can. P-A-N, pan. R-A-N, ran. F-A-N, fan. T-A-N, tan. V-A-N, van. Let's say an words in sentences. Listen carefully and try to say them with me. Fan, the fan is on. Repeat after me. The fan is on. Tan. The boy is tan. Repeat after me. The boy is tan. Van. The van is blue. Repeat after me. The van is blue. Ran. The boy ran fast. Repeat after me. The boy ran fast. Man. The man is tall. Repeat after me. The man is tall. Pan. The chef cooks in the pan. Repeat after me. The chef cooks in the pan. Can. The can is open. Repeat after me. The can is open.